Hi everybody, it's 1:04 and 17 seconds on April 23rd. This is mini number 2 for Walking Dead number 1 9.0 graded. Here are the 21 filled spots on the left hand side over here. Okay? Whoever comes in first place gets to pick 4 spots in the main. After the person that comes in first place picks his 4 spots, whoever comes in second place gets to pick 3 spots in the main. The people that have picked multiple spots obviously could come in first and second place and get to pick all 7 spots. So here we go. 3 dice. The number is 9. And away we go. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the final one. 9. Justin Del Don picks 4 spots. And Barney Stars picks 3 spots. Barney, Justin gets to pick first, and then you can pick after him. Time is 1:05 and 27.